Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. That is the Museum of Natural History, and I'm panning around the neighborhood here. So I'm on the Upper West Side, and I'm doing drawings of a penthouse apartment here. I'm out on the terrace here. I have a little friend with me, and let me walk inside. This is Central Park down there, and as I go inside, so this is a one-bedroom apartment, and back here we have the bedroom. I have a bath right here. Straight ahead we have kitchen and rear entrance. Right there I have a closet, and that's the main elevator entrance into the apartment, and fireplace. So it's about 1,000 square feet, the apartment, and this is what I'm working on today. I'm creating floor plan drawings, a reflected ceiling plan, and an electrical plan of the apartment. Just some more of the structure or adjacent structure. And I want to show you around, so thanks for checking out my video. If you are ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it be of an apartment, townhouse, a regular house, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for checking out my video, and have a fantastic day.